Hello. So welcome to another car chat because it's another parking situation. So I am, down to the wire now. It's 24th. So I am going to do the Q&A tomorrow. So if you still have any questions you want to ask, you can jot it down. I didn't get that many questions, so that video probably won't be that long, but I'll probably just add on little things and how I felt about doing Vlogmas for the first time. So, but today I'm gonna do a little bit of talk about some of the indie authors that I read this year. So I tend to like discovering indie authors or authors that are not popular. I find that I get excited, especially when I find one whose work I really enjoy. I get really excited. So this year I would say I have 3 indie that I enjoyed. And I started the year with Nia Forrester, and you guys, I did a whole video on her series. She has a short story series, a romance, and I just love the series. It was just a feel-good series, and I'll definitely link the full review of that series in the description bar. But I feel like it's one of those short story collection, like you really don't have to read them together, but she continued on the stories with different situations, and it was just so nice, and I love that. I didn't have any issues with that series. I just thought it was a really good series. And then, because she had, in the series, you have Still, Coffee Date, Lunch Date, and Table for Two. So that's how she did the series. There's 4 books in the series, but Still is totally different, and then the other 3 is the same characters. So then I didn't really read any indie for a while. I realized I didn't pick up another indie till the summer, and that was Ruined by D.E. Eliot, and that was a really good one, guys. I did a review on that one as well, and he really did a story that I thought was memorable and very well done. And I can't wait to read some more of his books. He's very active on Instagram, and so if you're looking for a really good story that has that family drama, relationship, all that complication stuff, definitely pick his book up. But again, I will leave my full review in the description bar. It's on spoiler free, so you don't have to worry about me giving the story away. And then I'm looking at my list again on Goodreads, and I didn't read anything indie till I got back to the indie. I'm not sure if, I don't think Dani Allen is indie, but she's not new. I've read books prior, so these are the books that when I say indie, I've read these are authors I read for the first time this year in 2018. So the next one, of course, is B.M. Harden, and I did a review on her, and I read 3 of her books, and she got me on her crime thriller with a sprinkle of a little romance in the midst of it, and it was just like, yeah, she got me good. And I read Giving Back 2, and the Janes, and the Janes was just like the shit. So it was just one of those crazy nutcase crime situation that I really enjoyed. And then I didn't really read anything else indie that's new, so which is a little less than last year. I believe last year I read way more indie authors, and so I'm gonna search them out and look for ones that I know for sure I'm going to really enjoy. Yeah, now that I'm looking at the list, no, surprisingly those are the only ones. But I don't know, give me some indie authors that you really like this year. Drop their name of their book and their names down in the comment section, and they might get added to next year, because I am a big fan of supporting indie authors. I find that they don't get a lot of attention, and sometimes their book is way better than, you know, the people who are published by big publishing house. So yeah, that's it for today. I am gonna sit here and sip more on my hot chocolate and wait till time to move the car again. So anyway, also I don't know, I'm up to 77 books. I'm not sure if I'm gonna read anymore. Honestly, I don't know. I want to read some more, but it's just that there's so much activity going on for me right now where I'm like, if I start anything, I'm not even gonna finish it. You know, that's like the next thing. Probably not. But either way, if I do read anything, I will definitely let you know. I did start, I picked back up Love Note. And I'm about 40% in the book. So, I mean, it's a possibility I'll definitely finish that if I really want to. But it's a holiday now. I just want to have a good time. And I hope you guys are going to have a good time, because, you know, Christmas can be a bit much. So anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day.